Good morning, everyone. As you know, I am Ashugananda. I have been teaching English since 2001, and this person is going to share some thoughts with all of you. Usually, people are seen in the form of chaotic appearance. They like to argue. Usually we can see on the roadside they are quarreling, they are abusing, they are quarreling with one another. What is the reason behind it? And how should we react if somebody abuses us? Because if somebody abuses us and we do not abuse in the form of reply, then people call us timid. So, is this the right way to address us, or are we actually timid? What should we think? How should we maintain our psychology? Where should we proceed? This is the ultimate question that a youngster needs to know, and a youngster needs to overcome such a kind of situation because everybody has emotion and everybody is regulated with the help of the emotion which occurs in the heart or in the mind. So let us try to understand the answer of this question. First question is, a person in the absence of money go in the era of the barter system. What was happening in that moment, in that era? A person sells goods to acquire another goods. So, if you are a milkman and you are giving somebody your milk, and a person, and you want some gold, but the person to whom you are giving milk is an ironsmith, what will the ironsmith provide you? Do you think that ironsmith will provide you gold? No, never. Only the goldsmith is eligible to provide you the gold, because a goldsmith has the gold to give to all of us. The goldsmith is eligible to do so, but you are before an ironsmith, and the ironsmith can never ever provide you the gold of the goldsmith. In the same manner, you are an educated person, you are giving the right decision, you are telling the right message, but a person who is bougie, who is rude, who is a bully nature, who is of a bully nature, or who is arrogant, who is full of attitudes to attack, to be violent, who is a fanatic, do you expect that a fanatic can be a flexible and amiable, or a friendly person, a polite person? No, never at all. That is not the fault of them. The people who are rude by nature, They are compelled by their nature to do so. Actually, this is an unqualified praise. If a bully person bites you, then you should not abuses you. I mean to say, you should not react in the same manner, because that is an unqualified praise. If a snake hisses you, you cannot hiss a snake. If a dog bites you, you cannot bite a dog to show your superiority. To be a human being, understand that that is a goldsmith. No, that is an ironsmith. So that person will provide you only iron. If you invite somebody else at your home, and your home is a very tidy one, everything is arranged properly, and somebody who lives in the mud, what do you expect? A, a, a buffalo who lives in the mud, who likes to live in the mud, do you think will invite you in the palace? No, never. Forget. Proceed. Your selection was wrong. That person was not worthy or deserve even your animosity. Your friendship should not be deserved. Even your animosity should not be deserved by them. Thanking you all.